For our Facebook story of the day, many of our viewers wanted to know about trick-or-treating regulations. In the city of Kirksville, they do not have an ordinance on trick-or-treating. This year, trick-or-treating will be held on Halloween, which falls on a Monday. The noise ordinance will still be in effect after 10 p.m. that night. Kirksville officials want people to enjoy the holiday, but to always play it safe.
Well, certainly, if it's young children, we want their parent to accompany them for trick-or-treating. I think safety tips, certainly you want to take a light with you, a flashlight of some kind. Make sure that your costume helps your visibility, whether that's light-colored or reflective surfaces. It is getting darker earlier in the evening, so you definitely want to make sure that you and your child can be seen when you're out trick-or-treating.
Officials also advise residents to leave their porch lights on to let others know you're accepting trick-or-treaters. Also, they say it's best for chaperones to take trick-or-treaters to neighborhoods they're familiar with and to inspect the candy before the kids eat it. The city of Kirksville will be having some fun Halloween events as well. You can get that information on our website, heartlandconnection.com.